Hello everyone. In this tutorial I will discuss how you can create beautiful design, how you can customize the designs with designer.microsoft.com. It's an amazing website that you can use to create effective designs. For that you need to visit this website designer.microsoft.com, and here you need to describe the design you would like to create. For example, let's write so as you can see I have written Mary's invitation card and just click on generate, and it is generating the designs for you. Just wait while it is generating the designs for you. Okay, as you can see it has given the suggestions for the marriage invitation card, and you can click on any card and then you can also customize the design. For example, I have selected this card and then I will click on customize design. So when you click on customize design you will see there are so many options, and you can see that if you want to insert a text you can insert a text from here. You can insert any text in this in this card. You can use visuals in this card. You can insert shapes. Uh, there are many different options that you can try and see. It also provides the new ideas for the design. For example, you can also click on any design if you want to use another design. For example, uh, yes, you can use this design or you can use this design. You can use any design with the help of this. Okay, so let's create a new design. So click on here and click on start new design. You can write anything for creating a design. For example, if I write, you can write anything. For example, I have written a man on the moon with a dog. Let's click on generate. So it will take some time for creating a design for you. Okay, and you can see it has suggested some designs. You can see you can also change the description. For example, a man walking on the moon with a dog, and then click on generate. So it will take some time for. Okay, you can see the suggestions it has provided. So you can use any. For example, I have selected this one and then I click on customize design, and then you can modify the design accordingly. You can select any visual. You can select the text, and there are so many templates also available. You can see, so you can create different designs. So click on new design. For example, if I write college convocation invitation and then I click on generate, and it will suggest some designs based upon the description that you have provided. And you can see there are some relevant descriptions that you can use. For example, if I select this and then I can customize the design, and if I select this I can uh, apply the effects. I can apply. You can see there are so many filters that you can use. You can set the brightness of the image, contrast of the image. You can auto adjust the image. Okay, there are so many filters available. You can remove the background, and if you want to add some text, you can add the text. If you want to resize the image, you can resize the image, and you can add some text here. You can add some templates here. Template you can search. If I search for the convocation template, you can see these are some templates you can use. You can choose any template. You can edit this text. You can change its font color. You can change the style. So there are so many options that you can use. Okay, so it's very simple. And if you want to create a new design, if you want to download the design, you can download from here. If you want to create a new design, you can create a new design. And even you can start from the blank canvas. So click on the blank canvas, and it will ask you for the size of the canvas. So you can select any size. For example, this size I have selected, and then you can search the template and you can work on that template. So it's very simple. For example, if I select birthday, and then you can select the any template. For example, yeah, this template you can select, and then you can write the text. You can change the see if I have selected this template, it has also suggested me some new ideas. You can see some new ideas has been suggested. So you can create a designs from here, and if you want to click on new ideas, you can create a new design from there. So it's very simple, and there are so many options provided by this. And so you can also see the different designs you have worked upon on clicking on my design. And these are the designs that I have just created. So it's a very good site if you want to create designs for any occasion. So you must try these options. Okay, and you can also insert your own media in the template. Just click on my media, and you can insert a media. So you can bring your files here. You can upload from the Google Drive or Dropbox. So this way you can work on creative designs. That's all for this video.